Assalamu alaikum. Hello traders. Today we will discuss a good money management system for trading digit match. And make sure you watch this video to the end. Before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video to get notifications for the next video. Okay trader, there are several money management systems that are used by traders for trading. Among them are the standard system, the 2 martingale systems, and the 3 compound systems. Or is there another system? You can write in the comments column. So, which of these systems do you use most often? Here I will not discuss it all, but I will use my own system. You can try it or you can just skip it. Because here we are trading digit match, then the most important thing is that you already have a digit match method and strategy that really works well, which you have proven yourself. Although the method we use does not match every time, which is due to several factors, including delays by the server, or the pattern is not formed at that time. Because there is a pattern movement every time in the binary/deriv.com market. Therefore, the thing we must pay attention to is a money management system that we can use to get better results. Then what is the target profit and target loss that we should use? Here I will use the target of the transaction so that the profit target and the loss target will be found. In digit match trading, the profit percentage is 809%. Wow, that's huge. Yes, but you need to know that for comparison the win rate is 1 to 9, so it's very risky to spend your balance. Because the ratio of win rate digit match is 1 to 9, then the transaction target that I use is 10 transactions. For capital you can just adjust it to the balance you want to use. Here I will give an example with a capital of $10. Okay trader, as an example I will make the formula. How to use good money management for digit match. Okay trader, like and subscribe to this video if you like it. This is an example of the money management formula that I use to test a method in a strategy digit match, whether it works well or not, and whether we master the method at the level that we have made. The explanation is as follows. The first system of target win is 1 win, from 1 to 5 transactions. If we use a stake of 15% of the balance, and that is the profit target we will get in that session. And if win is not achieved in the first system in 5 transactions, then it will continue to the second system. In the second system the win target is 2 win. If 2 wins are achieved then you will still profit even though what you get is not big. But if there is only 1 win then it is still a minus. If in 10 transactions the target is not achieved, then learn and improve again in mastering the digit match methods and strategies that we use. The point is that the win target on the system we use is reached and stops. At which level the win target was reached, then that's the skill level of the method we used at that time. In trading digit match, don't over-transact, so that we stay focused and calm in situations and conditions during analysis. If we are used to using this system, then to get 100% in a day is easy. As long as you understand the risks. Okay trader, for the next video I will show the video in real trading. And thanks for watching till the end. See you next video.